Hello and welcome to uniquestore.co.uk. I want to show you how you open today the BlackBerry 9320 completely. I disassembled completely that BlackBerry. What you need: the T4 screwdriver, T6 screwdriver, sorry, T5, T4 and T5 screwdriver, and hot gun or hairdryer. You need. Firstly, open the battery cover. So, and you got the two screws here. Open the two screws. So, afterwards, you got the lenses carefully, little bit heated up with hairdryer or hot gun, not too much, just to warm it up. Very careful, because there's a plastic. If you heat it too much, it's melted up. After, take it sharp, carefully, start it from side, lift it a little bit up, carefully you not scratch the lens or screen. There you go, put on the side. Now you got the two T4 screws here. Open that one, the other one here. So now lift it carefully, this front housing off, and you can see here slide it up, it's coming up, put it inside. You got the four T6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a speaker. Carefully take it off that the plate. It's coming with the speaker on it. Kind of saw it. Now lifted that one up. Yeah, it's normally you got other screws here, T4, to hold it down, that one, but it's look someone have opened it before. And that screws is missing, but it's normally one screw here to hold the plate for the keypad down. So after disconnected the screen, or disconnect the flex socket here, put very careful that you not damage it underneath. There you go. Put the screw inside. You got the trackpad. The trackpad is look like a 9300, but I'm not sure is the same or not. I've never tested, but exactly look same one to one. So you open, it's like a clip. I don't know, can you see? You open the clip. And now that is the trackpad. Now the membrane. Again, carefully, don't heat it too much, otherwise you melt it up. Little bit, just warm it up. The membrane is coming up. There you go. It's all done. If you need any more information about that, just drop me a message. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. uniquestore.co.uk.